Lieutenant General Yilma Mirdasa, Commander Ethiopian Air Force, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. During the meeting, both dignitaries held detailed discussions on areas of professional interest and reaffirmed their resolve to strengthen cooperation between the two air forces. Upon his arrival, a smartly turned-out contingent of Pakistan Air Force presented Guard of Honour to Lieutenant General Yilma Mirdasa. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff reaffirmed his commitment to enhancing military partnership between the two air forces through joint training initiatives. He assured the visiting dignitary of PF's steadfast support to the Ethiopian Air Force in its professional pursuits, while reiterating that Pakistan deeply cherishes its cordial relations with Ethiopia and remains firmly committed to providing comprehensive assistance in capacity building, advanced training and operational domains. Lieutenant General Yilma Mirdasa conveyed his sincere gratitude for the warm hospitality extended to him and his delegation. Commander Ethiopian Air Force lauded PF's robust operational readiness, its evolving multi-domain capabilities, and its credible deterrence posture. He highlighted that the Ethiopian Air Force looks forward to drawing lessons from PF's rich combat experience, integrated command systems, and technological innovations to strengthen its own operational capabilities. The visiting dignitary also expressed keen interest in exploring avenues of technology transfer within the aviation sector, particularly in indigenous development and modernization initiatives. As part of his visit, the Ethiopian Air Chief received comprehensive briefings at the National ISR and Integrated Air Operations Center and PF Cyber Command, where he appreciated PF's technological advancement and integration of cutting-edge capabilities in modern warfare. The visit of Lieutenant General Yilma Mirdasa to Air Headquarters Islamabad signifies a resolute commitment of both countries to reinforce military partnership, fostering collaboration and promoting robust relations.